Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5, respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 7 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 9 Electricity and Light. So, serial number 1, an instrument that automatically stops the current in a circuit if the current in it exceeds the specific maximum limit. Positive terminal, MCB, negative terminal, or ISI. The answer will be your MCB. That is your miniature circuit breaker. I think you all have seen this structure in your house. है ना? When the amount of the electricity increase, what happens? It just falls down and break the circuit. When the circuit is broken, then the electrons or the current flow stops, and your the heavy appliances like fridge, TV, or any heavy appliances, AC, can be protected. ठीक है, MCB यहाँ पे it will just drop down. ठीक है, तो first answer will be your option B. Question number 2. Which of the following statement will be true for the given circuit when the switch will be on? So if the switch will be on means the circuit is complete. Right now the switch is off. ये आपका नीचे आ जाएगा. Okay, the circuit will be complete. And this is your cell. These are the bulbs here. So this is your positive and this is your negative. When the circuit is closed, then the current will start flowing, and the lamp 3 will glow first, then lamp 2, and then lamp 1. Okay, as the electrons or the current will start moving from here. The second answer will be option A. Question number 3. Short wire has dash, whereas long wire has dash resistance. So we know that resistance is the hindrance or the obstacle, ठीक है, which just comes in the passes of the electric current. Means electric current को पास होने के लिए जो एक रुकावट है, that is your resistance. ठीक है, तो as there will be more length, जितनी ज्यादा लेंथ होगी उतना ज्यादा हिंड्रेंस होगा. ठीक है, तो शॉर्ट वायर हैज लो रेसिस्टेंस. शॉर्ट वायर में लेस रेसिस्टेंस होगा, लेस, and whereas long wire has more resistance, because as the length increases the resistance will increase, as the area increases resistance will decrease. ठीक है, and this is rho is the material property. ठीक है, third answer will be your option C. Third C. Question number 4. A circuit diagram which includes a battery of 3 cells, a bulb, and an open switch. So 3 cells. One cell can be counted as one big line and one small line. This is your one cell. ठीक है, so 3 cell, you can just see 1, 2, 3 cells, and one bulb should be there and an open switch should be there. So option A will be the correct answer. In the B, 3 cells are there but switch is closed. 3 cells are there but bulb is not present. 2 cells are there. That's why it is also rejected. The fourth answer will be option A. Question number 5. Nichrome is an alloy of. So nichrome is an alloy of your iron and chromium and nickel. ठीक है, iron, chromium and nickel. This is the alloy. So all of them. Answer will be all of them. Fifth answer is D. Question number 6. Element of an electric iron becomes red hot on passing current because you can see this is the electric iron's element. The electric iron element also looks like the same. So that's why I have shown this picture here. When electricity passes through it, it becomes red hot. So why the color of the element is red? No, it has very high resistance. So yes, due to the very high resistance, there is the high resistance, high friction, high heat. And due to the heat, it becomes red. So it has a thick wire? No. Answer will be B. Sixth answer is option. Question number 7. A wire carrying an electric current possesses a magnetic field around it. Was conducted by, was concluded by, ये किसने बताया था कि if there is the current flowing in a wire, then there is the magnetic field. You can see I have shown the magnetic field. The iron particles are present here, and when the current is passing through this wire, the iron particles are just arranged from north to south pole. ठीक है, तो who has told this? At C. Oersted. This is your option C. Seventh answer is option C. Question number 8. Electric fuse is used to protect household electric appliances from accidental. So, small flow of current, large amount of current. When the large amount of current is flown, what happens? The circuit is broken, or the fuse wire is broken, or if you use MCB, it will fall down. The fuse wire is just broken out. The tendency of the fuse wire is like this: when there is the high temperature, it melts fast. Okay, and the circuit is broken in this way. Eighth answer will be option B. Question number 9. When a switch is in on position, the circuit is open? No. Circuit is closed so that electric current can flow. Current is flowing in the circuit? Yes. No current is flowing in it? No. So ninth answer will be your 2 and 3. It is in option B. Ninth answer is option B. I have shown a circuit and this all pin is working as the switch. Okay. Question number 10. More heat is produced in an electric circuit when magnitude of current is increased. If the magnitude of the current will increase, then the heat will produce more. Why? Because as the amount of current will increase, the resistance will also increase. Okay? With wire with greater resistance is used. Yes, resistance will increase, then friction will increase, and friction will increase, then the heat will increase. Bulb with broken filament is used. So it will just break the circuit. So option A and B will be the correct answer. 10th answer is option D. Question number 11. Thickness of wire used in working circuit M is more than the thickness of wire used in circuit N. Okay? Which one of the following option is correct? Heat will produce in circuit M then N. More heat will produce in circuit N then M. Equal amount of heat will produce in both the circuit, or no heat will produce. Actually, you can just see thickness of wire circuit M is more than the circuit N. If the thickness of a wire will more M and here it is less N, so you should know if the thickness will be more, then the resistance will be low. Resistance will be very, very low. And if resistance will be low, then heat produced will be low. And here resistance is more, the heat will be more. Okay? So you can say more heat will produce in circuit N than N. Yes, because the resistance in circuit N is more, that's why more heat will be there. So 11th answer will be option B. Question number 12. Question number 12. A solenoid acts as dash when electric current passes through it. Actually, what is a solenoid? Solenoid is a conductor bar, if you take, and wire is just coiled on it, and electricity is flown in the wire. What happens? This act as a magnet. ये कैसे काम करता है? It acts as a magnet, and it is known as electromagnet, and it acts as the bar magnet. So 12 answer will be option B. Question number 13. A circuit in which current is flowing consists of steel spoon coiled with the copper wire. Okay. When some alpines are brought near this spoon, the alpines get attracted due to, I already told in the previous question, if electricity will flow in a conductor, then they have the magnetic effect also. They have the magnetic effect also. So due to the magnetic effect of the current. The 13th answer will be C. As the magnetic effect generated in the spoon, and all pins will be attracted to it. Okay. Question number 14. Dash is a magnet produced by electric current. So bar magnet, permanent magnet, or electromagnet. Actually, if the magnet is made by using the electric current, this is the electric current. You can see the iron pins are just attached in it. So this is your electromagnet. Okay? The 14th answer is option C. Question number 15. Current means flow of protons in the circuit? No. Flow of neutrons in the circuit? No. Flow of electrons in the circuit. Actually, current is the flow of the electrons or negatively charged particles in the circuit. That is your option C. Question number 16. Dash is measured by voltmeter. The voltmeter measures the voltage, that is your potential difference. The 16th answer is option C. Question number 17. Which is the commercial unit of electrical energy? Electrical energy is measured in kilowatt hour. So answer will be option D. 18. Electric fuse works on dash effect of electric current. So actually the electric fuse wire, what happens when the amount of electric current becomes large or becomes more? So due to the high amount of current, as we know, current produces heating effect also. The wire is melting, and it is broken down. That's why the circuit is broken down, and the high amount of current cannot flow in the main line. Okay, so this is due to the heating effect of the electric current. Option D. Question number 19. Which one of the following pairs is incorrect? Low resistivity, high conductivity? Yes. जितना कम होगा रेसिस्टेंस, उतना ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का फ्लो, मीन्स उतना स्मूथ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट का फ्लो. ठीक है. हाई रेसिस्टिविटी, लो कंडक्टिविटी? यस, इट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. लॉन्ग वायर, लो रेसिस्टेंस? नो. लॉन्ग वायर, मोर रेसिस्टेंस. जितना ज्यादा लॉन्ग वायर, उतनी ज्यादा रेसिस्टेंस. ठीक है. तो thin wire, high resistance? Yes. More the area, low the resistance, high the and low the area, high the resistance. So here in thin wire you can say area is comparatively low. That's why resistance will be high. The amount of current that flows depends on the amount of gas applied on the battery. Potential difference. Actually, you can just understand with this simple picture. The voltage is, or potential difference is there to push the electricity ahead. Okay, and the current is just trying to pass it, and resistance is like, which is trying to stop the electricity to pass through. Okay? The voltage the increases the amount of the flow of current. So 20 answer will be your option A. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.